Abni hand level, a hand surveying instrument designed to measure angles of elevation expressed in degree or percent. Accidental error, an error due to combination of causes beyond the ability of an observer to control and for which it is impossible to make correction. Altimeter, an instrument used to measure height or altitude graduated in feet or meters. Azimuth refers to the direction as given by the angle between the meridian and the line measured in a clockwise direction, usually reckoned from the south branch of the meridian. Back sight, a sight taken with a transit along the line of known direction to reference point, usually in the rear. Bearing, the direction of any line with respect to a given meridian. Benchmark, fixed reference point whose location and elevation are known and serve as a reference for leveling work in a given locality. Chaining, the operation of measuring the horizontal or inclined distances with a tape. Chaining pin, a steel pin about 1 foot long used temporarily for making the location of the end of the tape as distances are to be measured. Close traverse, a survey in which the traverse lines from a close figure or when the two end points coincide. Compass, a handheld instrument used in making raw survey line with reference to direction of a magnetic needle. Contour, an imaginary line of constant elevation on the ground. Contour interval, a fixed vertical distance between two successive contour lines at different elevation. Crosshair, the line of sight composed of vertical and horizontal hair fastened to the reticule. Datum, a plane of reference where all other elevations are referred to. Deflection angle, the angle between a line and the line prolongation to the preceding line to the succeeding line. Departure, the horizontal component of the traverse line wherein and the distance is multiplied by sine of the bearing angle of the line. Depression contour, a contour in which the elevations of adjacent contour lines do not indicate which condition is represented. Difference in elevation, the vertical distance between level surface. Differential leveling, the operation of determining difference in elevation of points some distance of the point near the surface of the earth above or below an assumed level surface. Direct leveling, a method by which the difference in rod reading held at 2 points is equal to the difference in elevation between those points. Elevation. The vertical distance above or below some arbitrarily assumed level surface or datum. Field work. An activity of making and recording all measurements in the field. Flagman. A person whose duty is to hold the flag or range pole at selected points as directed by the transitman. Foresight distance. The horizontal distance from the center of the instrument to the road where the foresight was taken. Geodetic surveying. A type of surveying which takes into account the shape of the earth. Foresight. A site taken with a level to a point wherein the elevation of which is to be determined. Height of instrument. The elevation of the line of sight of the telescope when the instrument is leveled or above the datum. Heliotropy. The position of the point to be sighted by means of sunlight reflected by an instrument. Clinometer. An instrument used for measuring vertical angles or slopes.